Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Airtel Broadband plan is active and you have the Wi-Fi name and password. This matters because the TV needs network credentials. Next, gather an HDMI cable and any set-top or streaming device. You need a physical link if TV cannot join Wi-Fi. Place the router near the TV and plug it in. Make sure the router LEDs show internet connectivity. Once done, you'll be ready to choose a wired versus wireless connection and move to device setup. Now you connect the TV. For the most stable link, plug an Ethernet cable from the Airtel router LAN port to the TV or to the set-top box. This avoids Wi-Fi interference. If you prefer wireless, open the TV's network settings, select your Airtel SSID, and enter the password exactly. This authenticates the device on your home network. After connection, set the TV's input to the correct HDMI port and accept any firmware or software updates. Updates fix compatibility and improve streaming performance. Finish by testing the connection. Run the TV's network diagnostics and open a streaming app to verify playback quality. This shows both speed and latency. If the Wi-Fi signal is weak, move the router closer, use an extender, or switch the Airtel router to a less crowded Wi-Fi channel to reduce interference. If streaming stalls, restart the router and TV. Key troubleshooting tip: temporarily connect the TV via Ethernet to determine whether the problem is Wi-Fi versus ISP or router settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.